welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing another makeup look today, so please keep watching. Thank you. My base is already done, so I'm starting off with the eyes. I'm using the Tropical Carnival palette. I'm using this turquoise blue matte shade called Bacchanal in the middle of my crease. Blending it out properly, then I'm using this shade called Navy on the outer corner of my eyelid and crease. Blending it seamlessly and extending it out for a more dramatic look. Dusting off all the fallouts. Then I'm using a peachy red shade from the Red Velvet Reloaded palette in the inner corner of my eyes, extending it well out towards my brows and nose. Cutting my crease and extending it outward. Packing my crease with the shimmery pink from the Swiss Beauty Art Mousse eyeshadow palette in the inner portion of my crease. Then on the outer portion, I'm using a beautiful shimmery gold from the same palette. Now putting on an extended wing liner. I'm gonna use the Lakme Insta Liner in metallic gold on the outer wing of my eyes, and also use that to line the crease for a more sharp and defined look. I'm using the same peachy red shade from the Reloaded palette on my lower lash line, and then blending that with a more mauvey purplish shade from the same palette. Then using a kohl to finish the look, and then finally adding on some mascara. Using my favorite Sophx highlighting palette by Makeup Revolution, I'm using this pearly gold shade on my inner corners and brow bone, and then contouring my nose a little, and then using the same shade to highlight the tip of my nose. Using a pale gold shade to highlight my cheekbones and my chin and a little bit of the center of my forehead. And finally putting on falsies. Quickly overlining my lips with a red lip liner, and for lipstick I'm gonna be using the Inside Cosmetics matte lipstick in the shade Let's Tango. It's a beautiful warm orangish red shade, which looks really gorgeous. I wanted to make this look a little creative, so I'm adding on some stick-on gems and adding some accessories to get a more interesting look. Then I decided to add a little bit of highlighter in the middle of my eyelid, and that completes the look. So this is the finished look. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.